Do you want to know how you can log into your Unfi Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Unfi Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and go to the search bar to search for Unfi Payroll Login. Then click on this page which says Unfi User Assurance Application. After you click on it, write down your username at domain.com. This is your ID over here. Go ahead and write it down, or just go ahead and write something and press next. And if you click on it, you can see that this page loads up, and you should click on existing user if you have an account. And if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click new user over here. So go to existing account and write down your username. After you've written down your username, go to the password section and write down your password. After you've written down your password, click on this and check your password once and then click continue. This way you can successfully log into your Unfi Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.